In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Figma prototype into Google Slides. This is a nifty trick if you want to share interactive designs within your presentations. So let's dive right in and break down the process step by step. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to the Figma website, which serves as a collaborative interface design tool. If you haven't signed in yet, look for the login button. Give it a click and enter your credentials to access your Figma account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page in Figma. This is typically where all your recent projects and shared files are neatly organized. Now find the specific design file you want to present and share. Open it up, and once inside, look for the Design tab. This is where you can view all the individual design components and edits that have been made. Next, switch to the Prototype tab. This is the section where you can navigate through the interactive components of your design, giving you the feel of a working app or website. From this point, your goal is to share this prototype with others via Google Slides. So find the Share button, which is usually located towards the top right corner of your Figma interface. Clicking Share will open up a window that lets you adjust the sharing settings for this prototype. Now look for the Present button. Clicking it will transition your design into presentation mode, showcasing how it functions interactively. To incorporate this into Google Slides, you'll need the Embed code. So next, click on Get Embed Code. This option generates a snippet of HTML code designed specifically for embedding. Once the code appears, you'll simply need to copy it by clicking the Copy button. This copies the snippet to your clipboard, ready to be inserted into your Google Slides presentation. With the embed code securely copied, head over to your Google Slides presentation. Within Google Slides, select the slide where you'd like to showcase your Figma prototype. Click Insert and then choose Embed. You'll see a field where you can paste the embed code. Go ahead and paste the code from your clipboard. Once you've pasted the code, click Insert, and your Figma prototype should now be visible and interactive within your Google slide. And that's it. You've just embedded a Figma prototype into Google Slides, allowing you to present interactive designs seamlessly within your presentations. Remember, this approach is great not only for demonstrating visual designs, but also for gaining feedback from collaborators directly within a slide deck. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.